If you're still sending the same CV to 100 companies and wondering why nobody replies, stop. That strategy is dead in 2026. Companies are now using AI to filter candidates before a human even sees your application. So if you're not using AI too, you're already behind before you even start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply smarter, using free tools that actually get you results. Let me be honest with you. I used to apply to dozens of jobs and hear nothing back. Not because I wasn't qualified, but because I was doing what everyone else does. Same CV, same message, every time. Then I changed one thing. Instead of applying to more jobs, I started applying better. And that changed everything. So here's the simple system you need. And all of these are free to start with. First, ChatGPT, to customize your CV and write targeted applications. Second, LinkedIn, to find jobs and connect directly with recruiters. Third, Google Docs or Canva, to create a clean professional CV without any design skills needed. And if you're in tech, Black Box AI can help you build projects faster and strengthen your portfolio. 4 tools, that's it. Step 1, find one job faster than everyone else. Open your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whatever you use. Go to linkedin.com and search for your role. For example, production operator UAE. Now here's a trick that almost nobody knows. Look at the URL in your browser bar after you search. Find the part that says FTPR equals and change the number after it to 3,600. Then hit enter. Now you're seeing only jobs posted in the last hour, not yesterday, not last week, the last 60 minutes. That means the recruiter just posted, and they're actively looking right now. You apply immediately, your CV lands at the top, before hundreds of other people even see the job. Now pick one of those fresh jobs, not 10, one. This is how you apply better, not more. Step 2, customize your CV using AI. Copy the job description, open ChatGPT, and write, adapt my CV to match this job description. Keep the same structure, but align the keywords and experience to this role. Paste your CV and the job post. Now your CV isn't generic anymore. It's built for that specific job. Step 3, make your CV look professional. Take that content and drop it into a clean Google Docs or Canva template. Simple. No flashy colors, no graphics. Because recruiters don't spend more than a few seconds on your CV. You need it to be easy to read instantly. Step 4, write a sharp cover letter. Ask ChatGPT. Write a short, direct cover letter based on this job description and my CV. No long introductions. Keep it focused. 2 or 3 paragraphs maximum. Step 5, apply, then follow up. After applying, go back to LinkedIn. Find the recruiter or hiring manager for that company. Send them a short message, not a generic one. Something like, "Hi, I just applied for the job title role at company name. I have experience in one relevant thing, and I'm genuinely excited about this opportunity. Happy to share more if helpful." One message, specific, human. That small step puts you ahead of most applicants. So remember this. In 2026, it's not about applying to more jobs. It's about applying to fewer, but doing it better. Use AI. Be specific. Follow up. Apply to fewer jobs. Get more responses. If this helped you, subscribe. I post real strategies every week to help you grow your career and actually get hired. Let's go.